Hey everybody, so today I want to film myself trying a product that I just recently bought off Amazon. So I know most of you are probably familiar with the app TikTok, and I myself have downloaded the app and became so addicted to it. So I was on my For You page and I was scrolling down and I noticed like a lot of videos were going around about this Revlon hair dryer brush. I believe that's the name of it. And the results were so amazing with all these girls' hairs. All their hairs look so beautiful. They look so blown out. My friend actually went and she purchased the Revlon one and she loved it. So I was like, I have to try this brush. I need to try it. I need to get it. But I went online and I saw it was like around $58. And I'm sorry, I just don't feel like spending 58 bucks on this tool. So I kept scrolling and I found one that looks almost identical to the Revlon brush. And it was $22. Not bad. I think $22 to $26. I'm not too sure. But I was like, wow, okay, I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna try it. It looks exactly the same. Let's see if it does the same result. So I just got it in the mail today. This is what it looks like. It claims to straighten and dry at the same time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Alright. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Let me unravel it here. Ooh, not too bad. This is what it looks like. I'm telling you guys, it looks so similar to the Revlon brush. So just from the looks of it, it feels good. Like, it doesn't feel cheap. It feels pretty sturdy. So I'm gonna plug this in and I want to hear how loud it is. I want to hear if it sounds like a regular like hair dryer brush, or I mean a blow dryer, a regular blow dryer. Gosh, I'm gonna get it together. All right. So it has the settings high, middle or medium, low, and off. So right now it's off. So I'm gonna turn it on to low. Okay, so it does sound about as loud as a hair dryer, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair and try it out. I need a freaking clip. Oh well, I'll just use a scrunchie. I'm gonna brush my hair out with my wet brush. And my hair is actually pretty wet right now. I just showered, so I'm gonna kind of take my towel and kind of scrunch it a little bit more. Kind of scared to see. So my friend that ordered the Revlon one, she says she dried her hair, I believe, at like this kind of wetness. So her hair was not fully dry. She said she was really impatient. She had to try it right after the shower. And she said it made her hair like a little bit frizzy. So I want to see if this one does the same thing or if it doesn't. So since my hair is pretty wet right now, I think I'm going to try it on the high setting just because it's really wet. So let's see. All right, so I'm gonna section my hair. Let's see. And if I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking at my mirror behind right here. Sorry. All right, so let's put it to the high setting. Okay, so far, like I still have a little bit of strands that are still wet, but they're not soaked, just from that little piece I just did. But so far so good. Like I feel like my hair isn't frizzy for it being super wet in the beginning. It's not that frizzy. Wow. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my whole head, and I'll come back and give you guys the final result. So this is how my hair looks like. I actually really like it. I will say though, I am not going to do this ever again with soaking wet hair because my hand hurts, I'm sweating, and my hair is not even thick, but it's not thin either, if that makes sense. But still, I couldn't even imagine like super like beautiful thick hair, how long this would take. It didn't take long, but it was kind of tedious, and my hand really did start to hurt. I alternated in between the high and the medium heat setting, and I found that the medium setting worked just as fine as the high. I mean, if you're trying to just hurry up and get it through and get it done with, I would definitely just use the high setting, but it didn't get too hot. The high setting did not get too hot to the point where I felt like my hair was on fire. So yeah, this completes this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.